Good morning. Welcome to Steck Equipment. This morning I want to talk to you because I have a lot of customers who ask me, what do I need to do for my tractor for winterization? Well, there's several things that is nice to do or need to be done as far as the tractor is concerned. The first thing is your radiator. Your radiator on your tractor has antifreeze and water. So you need to make sure that you do have an adequate amount of antifreeze in your tractor. If it's less than 4, 5, 6 years old, everything should be good. The only reason you'd want to check it here again is if you've had a problem with the leaky hose, or if you had some issues and you've lost some fluid, so that would be the reason to check. If not, you don't have to worry too much about it. The radiator is a liquid cool system, so that flows through the tractor. Water is what most people run, and in the colder climates, you put an antifreeze to keep the water from freezing. So most people use a 50-50 antifreeze with water, so 50% of your water in your radiator, 50% is antifreeze. That will keep your your water in your radiator from freezing when it gets below 32 degrees. All right, so the next thing is most people, when they buy a new tractor, they get their tires loaded. And the tires loaded means that we put water and antifreeze in the tire. Here we go again. It's about a 50-50 solution that we put in the tire to keep the water from freezing. If you haven't had a puncture or a leak with your tire, then your tire will be good, because the antifreeze doesn't go bad over years. It stays forever, or basically stays forever. But unless you've had a puncture or a hole in your tire should be good. The next thing is your diesel fuel tank. New tractors do not like water in their diesel fuel. In today's market, and with our temperatures going up, one minute being 100 degrees, the next minute being 20 degrees, we have a lot of condensation that goes on inside of closed systems. So we get some vapor in there, some moisture in there. So if I was doing this, I would add something like Sta-Bil, Seafoam, some kind of fuel additive that contains the moisture or controls the moisture in my tank. And I would add it according to the recommendation to the bottle on the additive. And as I did this, I would also want you to crank your tractor up at least once a month, drive it around the yard. This way everything cranks up, everything works. The antifreeze is flowing, the oil is flowing, the hydraulics are flowing, and everything is working and lubing itself and allowing it to work. And also that keeps you from getting flat spots on your tires by moving it once a month. Also, just an extra little thing during the winter months, the tractor, when if you'll turn your key halfway, watch the tachometer go over, that gives your tractor the time to warm that it needs to be able to crank. And in the colder months, it may take a little bit longer for that process to happen as you go through and trying to crank your tractor. So as we're talking tractors, please remember that your tractor is a long-term investment. It's one that's going to last you for years and years and years to come. So by taking care of it, it's going to last you and give you less headaches by taking care of it. So the little preventative maintenance today will save you a ton in the future. If you have any questions at all about how to take care of your tractor or fluids or anything like that, please don't hesitate to give us a call at Steck Equipment. We'd love to talk to you and answer your questions.